In today's Tech Time, I'm going to share with you my absolute favorite program that I've been using in the library, and it's called Canva. Canva just makes you look awesome, and it saves you a huge amount of time. So all your stuff that you share with your students and your parents and administration all of a sudden looks amazing, and it's because of Canva. So today I want to share with you some of the Canva basics. First thing I want to talk about is the Pro account, which is what the district provides. Your home screen, creating a presentation using a template, a little bit about collaboration, and then give you time to apply your knowledge as you create a template or a page or a presentation that you can then use in your classroom. So come along with me and let's discover Canva. It is awesome. Your template, and now we're going to look at how to add some cool content to it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make some room. So I'm going to click on this box in the corners, drag it up a little bit, and you'll see it shrinks it. I can also use my edit tools up here at the top. If I double click on the text, I can click up here in my edit tools and do some other things with it. So if I want to make it bigger or smaller, I can do that. Okay, sometimes it does that. I can use my little buttons here, decrease, increase, or select a number. Now I want to add some text, so I'm going to go over here on my design tools, and I'm going to click T for text, and then it brings me some options. I can magic write, which is a discussion for another day. I want to add a text box, but the system is asking me what kind of text box. I want a heading, a subheading, some body text. I'm going to add a heading. Now it puts it down here, and I can grab it and move it where I want it. Again, on my editing tools, I can highlight my text. I can change the color. So if I want to make it a different color, if I want to make it bold, if I want to make it italic, if I want to center it or left justify it or right justify it, play with that, I can do that. I can shrink it down. I can grab it and move it around. Here we go. And then I can highlight the text and I can type what I want instead of the word. Okay, and that's adding text. Now, let's say I have something on the screen that I really don't want. Everything is editable, so I can grab it and move it where I want to. I've got this and I don't really want it, so I'm going to click on it and click my delete button on my computer. If I want to move these around, these little decorations, I can. I can also change the size, grab them in the corners, pull. Okay, now up here are my elements, and these are my fun little things that I can add. So I can search here for something that I'm looking for specifically. This shows me recent things I've used. So these are all of my recents. These are shapes. I click see all to see more. Graphics, and there's more. So let's click up here to shapes. We'll click see all. And I want a line. I like this one. So I'm going to click on that one. Just clicked it once and it put it on my screen. Again, I can move it around. This is my toolbar where I can play with what it looks like. So if I want to make it bigger, the line weight. Okay, I can change the color here. I can drag it wherever I want to. Okay. That's one element I can add. I can also upload an image. So these are images that I've already uploaded, but if I don't have one here, I can go to my desktop, click Upload Images, Upload Files, and I can go to my pictures, and I can pick something that I want. I'll just grab something with a cat on it. How about that one? Click it, click Open. Put it over here, and now I can drag it over here. I can shrink it by grabbing the handles in the corner, stretch it out. Okay. Now this, again, I can move it around so everything looks good, everything looks like I want it. This is still a little bit too big, so I'm going to shrink it down. And that is how you add elements, text, and uploads to your presentation. At the top of my screen, where it says File, and then if I come down, I can click Save. It says all changes saved, but I'm going to go ahead and click it anyway because, it's reassuring to me. Now here's the other feature I really, really, really like about Canva. There's two buttons at the top of your screen. One says Present and one says Share. Let's take a look at Present because you have lots of flexibility and options here. Okay. I can present straight from here and just click on Present Full Screen. Not a problem. I can do that. There's a presenter view that I can record it while I'm presenting. So if I want to be able to, save it and show it later, I can do that. There's autoplay, lots of options here. And then I just click Present. The other thing that I really love about Canva is all the different ways that I can share it. So I'm going to click the Share button. Now the first thing it says is Collaboration Link. Let's say I want to work on this with a partner. I can go ahead and change this from Only You Can Access to Humble ISD. Anyone from Humble ISD can access the design, so you have to be a part of Humble ISD to do this, or anyone that I share the link with. So if I've shared the link with them, they will have access to it. Okay? And then over here I have an option. So a lot like Google. I can edit it. I can comment on it. I can view it. I'm going to leave it edit because I do want a partner. And then up here, I type the person's name that I would like to partner with. And I'm just going to type in and she's our IC for RELA on our campus. So I'll just click her and click share. I can even type a message if I want to. And I'm going to say, ignore this. It's just practice for me. And I'm going to go share. So now she can look at it and she can go in and she can edit it and she can do anything to it that I can do. And we can be partners. This is how we can collaborate. Share has many other aspects to it. Let's click on download because you have a lot of options here too. The first decision you have to make is what file type. Right now it's a PNG, which is an image file. I can also save it as a JPEG, as an MP4 video, as a PowerPoint, and then two options for PDF. PDF print, and I'm going to print it If I plan to print it out, that's probably what I want to choose. In PDF standard, if I'm not planning on printing it, that's probably what I want to choose. So I have lots and lots of ways to pick. I'm just going to pick PDF print. Then it gives me more options down here, select my pages. So maybe I don't want all of this. I just want page 1. So I'm going to uncheck this box and I'm going to click page 1. That's the only one I want. And then I want done. Now I'm going to click download. And it's downloading it to my computer. Then if I want to, I can upload it to Google Drive or Schoology or whatever I want to do. I can do it. Now, sometimes for certain things, instead of a PDF, because some programs are friendlier with image files. So I will go ahead and say download instead of PNG. Or excuse me, I will pick PNG. This is what it defaults to, because that is an image file. Again, it defaults to all pages. I don't want them all. I just want my page, which is page 1. Click done and download. So now I've got it saved as both PDF, which is a document, or PNG, which is an image. And so I can use it flexibly with whatever program I'm in. So if I'm in Schoology, maybe I want to upload the PNG. Maybe if I want to email it to people, I'm going to save it as a PDF. So it just depends on what you plan to do with this thing that you made in Canva. Okay. Besides that, here's another present public view link. So if I want to share a link to this and I want people to be able to see it and it shows up automatically as a presentation, I can do that. I have so many options. So this is one of the features I really love most about Canva, is how flexible I can be with the different programs that we work with to make it work for me.